Our focus to the other breaking news we have right now. The All India Muslim Personal Law Board has announced nationwide agitation against the Waqf Amendment Bill. Now, the board said that following protests in the national capital, it was necessary to extend their anti-Waqf bill campaign so that the centre is compelled to withdraw the bill. And AIMPLB, that is All India Muslim Personal Law Board, maintains that the bill is anti-minority. Viewers, we saw what happened in the national capital a few days back. Riyanka joins us on the broadcast. Riyanka, we had in fact spoken to those so-called protesters who did not even have an idea about what they are demanding. But AIMPLB continues with their agenda, its agenda, and says now they are going to, hold a pan-India protest.
Absolutely, Rakshita. It is coming in as a part of a follow-up of the protest that happened in the national capital's Jantar Mantar, where the All India Muslim Personal Law Board had called in a protest, and this was attended by a huge group of people who apparently, when questioned, they had no idea of what exactly they were protesting for. They did not know what are the provisions that have been given in, what are the amendments that have been put forward by the government as the government continues to push for the Waqf Amendment Bill. On the other hand, the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, now as a breaking development, has in fact gone ahead and decided to launch a nationwide protest, calling the Delhi protest one of a success. They are now going to be launching a nationwide protest, and as per the statement that reads the following, that the first phase of the protest, which will be done by the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, will be held in Patna on 26th of March and in Vijayawada on March 29. And they have also thanked the opposition leaders who were a part of the protest previously that happened in Delhi. We saw leaders like Mahua Moitra, and there were several leaders from Samajwadi Party as well who had come in, and they were pitching in for against the government in this very case. So yes, we understand that the All India Muslim Personal Law Board has in fact invited several opposition leaders in their protest that they will be doing in Bihar as well as in Vijayawada lately, and they have decided to call in several of the several protests at several pockets of our nation at this point, as they continue to call this particular amendment in the Waqf bill as discriminatory. They call it being to be anti-Muslim, and we all understand the way that the people who were protesting had no idea about the provisions. We understand that somewhere these people have been given in a wrong narrative of what exactly the government has been pitching for.
Priyanka, thank you so much for joining us with those details coming in on that breaking news. All India Muslim Personal Law Board now to hold protests across the country over the Waqf Amendment Bill. Now